Guys, I found jobs that will pay you with no experience. Are you serious? I'm sorry. Oh my god. Like, seriously. No experience? Yeah. So, if you're interested in this video right now, just click the like button, click the share, click the subscribe, because you're gonna be blown away by the jobs that I'm going to tell you about right now. Right yourself, but value yourself. So, on to the next clip. So, for the first job that I will be telling you about is, listen, this one will make you earn from $25, $50, $100 instantly in your PayPal account just for signing up. Listen, you see, when you start as free, the only thing you're going to do is just share the link, but you won't earn a income if you don't start as a starter or pro. The starter starts at $25. You have from $50, and the $100 package is the pro package, where you even get a trip to any one of the countries that you want. If you want to know more about this job, the link is in my description. You can go ahead and sign up and use your sponsor name as Samantha's Jamaica Skincare. So, listen guys, honor, value every information that I put on this platform, because let me tell you, when you're ready to start make some good money, you're going to start make some good money, and thank me. All right, the next one that I'm going to introduce to you is called Rent to Own. The link will be in my description as well. So for this platform, it is very vibesy. You don't have to do no interview. The only interview is when them tell you, say, you have to do an interview. Don't believe, say, you're going to be in an interview with somebody and they're at the front looking in your eyes, and you're looking them eyes straight, and you have to tell them about yourself and which way you work and blah blah blah. Not like that. So when I went to the interview, I was so surprised, because there was this group of people, and I'm talking about people who applied for the job, and they were just talking. To apply, you have to sign up. You do like a script, just to make them hear how you talk, and then after that, and send you a message in your email, so you're accepted, and you choose a day. I think it's Monday or Thursday. I think I chose Monday, but you can choose the day that you're available. Anyway, went to the interview, and like, yeah, got in. Oh my god, these people were so nice. Honestly, them vibes turned up, and guys, you can make good money. You can make even $300 a week if you want to, and plus you get bonus. But if you try this job, just let me. So you can go and sign up, guys. Any job that I post here, please share it, because someone else might really need a job right at this moment. And let me tell you, these jobs are worth your time. The other one, I don't even have to look on my phone. The other one is the LinkedIn. Let me tell you something. You see, if you treat LinkedIn, I think this is only in Jamaica, but for the other two that I spoke about, it's international. For Jamaica, no. The LinkedIn, if you treat this as a job and people sign up with your link, you know that you can earn bonus money on this from 500 to 250. Yes, you can make $250 for everybody who signs up on your platform. Tell me now. What are you waiting for? These are legit jobs that you need to start, and you don't have to even have no experience. Like, it's simple. It's very simple. So the other one that I'm going to introduce to you is the Fiverr platform. The Fiverr platform, listen, I've worked on Fiverr as a freelancer, and I was doing I was giving advice, like natural advice, and I get paid from $5, $10, $15, and I could even go more if I wanted to. But that is the rate I charge on Fiverr. And let me tell you, it's some good money when time you start and you do the good things them and get the 5 stars, when the customers them feel good and feel satisfied with what they. So for the final job that I will be telling you about is Humanatic. What is Humanatic? Have you ever called a company and hear the operator say this call is being recorded? Well, that is Humanatic. So this is a good company. This is a very good company, and it pays you to review calls. Yes, I review calls and get paid. So guys, I thank you so much for watching. I hope I add some value, and please just make it be more valuable if you just share this video with your Facebook friends, your LinkedIn friends, like everybody, because somebody's out there that is seeking a job right now. See you later, my babies, and value yourself too. Value everything you do, and make sure everything that you're doing is worth your time. Do your research, guys, and let me know if you got through to any of the jobs that I posted in this video today. Signing out. Value everything. I want you. Nice.